Amidst the bustling streets, I find peace in art.
I run empires, but art is the only thing that brings peace to my heart. If only I could meet a soul who paints the world the way I feel it.
Colors speak where words fail, and this is where my heart belongs. One day, the world will see the story inside my art. Almost there, just a little more light right here.
Whoever painted these carries a universe inside her. This is talent, this is magic.
She didn't create these, she copied everything. Don't be fooled. Really? Is it true? Did she steal the designs? Oh, how terrible. This is my art, born from my heart. Every stroke is mine, and no one can take that truth away. She's genuine, look at her confidence.
Your accusations are baseless. I admire your talent, your courage. I felt a connection the moment I saw your art. Will you marry me?
Yes, with all my heart.
A perfect match, like destiny itself.